Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I've been promising this for I think my second video, so I'm happy we get to do it now. I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to be using the eyeliner, you know, the felt tip like pen ones. I'll be using one of those, and I got mine from Bourjois. I got it on Amazon for like $2.99 now. It's gone up. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I do it. So first off, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so I've zoomed in. So normally what I do is set my eyebrows, and I think I did it on my first video, second video. I set it before I put my foundation on and everything. So I've set my eyebrows now, and now I'm going to draw it with my felt. It's the Bourjois Paris felt tip eyeliner in 14 Noir Mocha, so it's nice and brown. I used to use jet black, but I realized it was too harsh. So I'm going to draw my line. So basically it's like I just coloured it in. It's looking proper shiny right now. When I go back, it looks like this. I get my spoolie here. So guys, this is how it looks now. I've brushed it out to make it have more of a gradient effect from the beginning. Yeah, so don't be stressed if it's not clean, because you can always clean it up with concealer. And yeah, I do my eyebrows the opposite way. People normally do their eyebrows first, but I do my eyebrows last. I don't know why, because sometimes I feel like, no, I don't know why. I actually don't know why. So I'm going to let this one dry, and then we're going to move on to the next one. So I'll show you again. Okay, so now I'm just looking at it just to make sure they look filled out. They're not going to look the same. As you can tell, my eyebrows are not the same. No one's eyebrows are 100% identical. I may go back and insert a picture of how my eyebrows look before I filled them out. They were not the same shape. So yeah, now it's time to clean it up. And then we're going to keep working on it until it's fully cleaned and they look as close to twins as possible. So it's time for me to clean my eyebrows. I will be using what I use to conceal my face, even though I didn't use that today. It's Deep Olive, the e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour concealer. Just put some on the back of my hand, squeeze it so I get as much product. I need a new one. So I squeeze it so I've got enough products on here. Yeah? I get an eyeshadow brush. So this is an eyeshadow brush, but I use it to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm going to clean up the first one. As you can see, they're not the same shape, but we're going to get there. So I'm going to clean up the first one, because then whichever one you like the most is the one you clean up first, so then you can work on the other one to make it more like the one you like. Then you just blend it out at the bottom so it's not too obvious. Take a little bit of product. It's best to start off with the smallest amount of product and then build up. Oh, and then I put too much. And then sometimes if you go over your line, you can just clean it up again by going in with the pen. And then I'm going to zoom out because I'm using a felt tip liner, it looks shiny. So it doesn't have that matte look when the light is bouncing on it. You can easily settle that by using just an eyebrow pencil on top, and it'll make it look nice and matte. But I like that it's a bit shiny personally, because it doesn't look like that in person. I'll show you. So guys, that's one eyebrow done, and I've just showed you how I clean it up at the bottom first, just to get the arch right, and then at the top, and then I use the side, and you put the brush at an angle so I get the ends nice and sharp. So that is one eyebrow done, and I will show you when the second one's done. So here, I don't know if you can see, there's a bit of a jagged line here. Can you see? Yeah, there you go. So there's a bit of a jagged line here. Either I can use the concealer to straighten it out, or what I could do is just go back in with my felt and clean it up. No, it's better. So it's a bit, you have to have a steady, no, I don't think you have to have a steady hand for this. But I think you should all try it out because it's really cheap. And what's the worst that can happen? You could just wipe it off and start again. Obviously, if you were to practice this technique, do it before you do your makeup, because you can at least wipe it off and start again, not wipe off your whole makeup. It'll be a waste of product. Okay, so that's it. The eyebrows are done, nearly. So one thing I do like to do as well is brush the front hairs just upwards, so then it has that nice feathered look. So there we have it, guys. Here are my eyebrows. That's done. There's the eyebrow tutorial that some of you have asked for. Now, on camera, it may look like they're not 100% identical, and I wasn't really going for that anyway. Yeah, but they may not look 100% identical, but in person, it looks better. I will put a picture up on my Instagram, onlyvbe. I will put a picture up there and you'll see it better with just natural light instead of this flash, because this flash is quite harsh. So then what you get is a bounce back of the felt. So the shininess of the felt, you're getting a bounce back. So you wouldn't see the whole filling of my eyebrows. But this is it, guys. Tell me what you think. I'll come closer because I'm really liking this eyebrow right here. Like, this is how it looks. Like, you see it. Can you see how nice this eyebrow is looking? Look how nice the beginning of my eyebrows are looking. Really, like, it's like a nice clean. Even though it's like, even though I'm using ink, you're surprised. You could be surprised that even though with ink, you have a nice ombre effect. So don't color your eyebrows all the way to the tip when it comes down to the felt tip eyeliner, because it will make it too dark or too harsh. But here you go. So that's how the eyebrows look. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Benefits of this technique is that you can literally go swimming with these eyebrows and they'll stay on. You may get a little bit of a layer wiped off when you're swimming. Like, it may not be as sharp as before you went swimming, but I've been swimming in this eye. When I've gone swimming, I left my eyebrows on. I took off all my makeup, but I left my eyebrows on. And when I tell you, they stayed on, like, during swimming. So it's really nice. But I would always advise you to go for a brown color. I was using black for many years and until I found brown, and I realized it was better suited for me. So yeah, guys, this is the eyebrow tutorial. I hope you like it. Let me know, hopefully when I get a new camera, guys, because I am working really hard and trying to sell what I sell to make money for a new camera. I'm really trying to get that 4K camera, so then it will probably be better to show you the eyebrow tutorial. But right now, this is what I have. I hope you like it. And let me just finish off putting on my lipstick and I'll be done. So guys, here we have it. Eyebrows are done. I've put on my lipstick and I'm ready to go. I just want to say thank you for watching this. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have you noticed people don't say the subscribe, they say subscribe. That's what I realize I'm saying. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And follow our blog, me and my sister's blog, and please do not forget to also follow me on my Instagram, where you'll probably see the picture of these eyebrows in better form. Trust me, you will love it. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a lovely week, and I will see you soon. Bye. Ew, that bite was bad. That bite was bad. Bye. Bye. I'm joking, bye.